Freestyle session for Facebook, you ready?
Facebook.
Freestyle session for the Facebook. Hey, look, I go off the top. I don't play, I ain't no crook. But you know that I stay cooking things while I'm in the kitchen. I'm flipping the OB, you know, no, I gotta go slow. Oh, somebody go and get the GoPro or the camera. How I'm biting off my own flow, I don't know. Gotta go in, I go harder. My beard is looking like Mr. Harden. I'm growing that joint out right now. I'm in Ohio. My God, why go to another place when I can stay here? My man scratching over my ear. You know I don't play here. So get the engineer, maybe go and get a beer or wine. Oh my gosh, why they whine? Breaking all the time. When I kick the flows, and you know I'm gonna get something for that. Don't you know my man got on the breads? And I'm coming off the top of the head. You see just how I do this for the music. I keep it in so influence and they don't know how I get it. I just keep on moving, I'm never stopping. See the ring, ladies, just stop it. You gotta know how I'm rocking. I'ma jump up in the mosh pit at my own show that I started. I get, my goodness, I just hope that I didn't fart it. Cause you know the flow crazy, it's kinda stinky. I know they ain't with me. Yo, see me? Raising my own pinky, I got a drink in my hand though. Right now I am going commando, just joking, not doing that. Oh, there go the beat. No, I'm feeling that. Everybody knows how I get it. Feeling that. You know what's with it. See me with an anomaly 2.0. We coming back after hitting the road. You don't know, go slow, gotta come through, yo. Last night I was in Houston, now I'm boosting my own confidence. Yo, I don't need the fluids or the drunken juices. You know just how I do this. Yo, this is a movement. Jesus sent me to that. I gotta go up and sit up. I won't sit up. Gucci on the glasses. Asking me how I go back. Let me do this one more time. I'm asking y'all how I really know. He's texting on the low. Looking at the Instagram, man. The dress is black and blue, man. You know that's how I do, man.